Hello everyone, this is your technical Gurudev Engineer Saksham Saxena. In yesterday's lecture, we have learned about what is Java, whom who developed Java, when it was developed, earlier what was it called, and the features of Java, over which why Java is preferred over different languages like C, C++, and we have introduced Java environment a little bit, and in today's lecture we will study in detail about the Java environment. Let's start. So today we learn about introducing Java environment and its parts in details. First one is JDK, that is Java Development Kit. सेकेंड वन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट जावा प्लेटफॉर्म्स, जिसमें कि मैंने कल आपको बताया था कि 3 तरीके के जावा के प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, डेट इज़ जावा एसी, जावा ई एंड जावा एम ई. जावा एसी इज़ जावा सिंपल एडिशन, जावा ई इज़ जावा एंटरप्राइज एडिशन, जावा एम ई इज़ जावा माइक्रो एडिशन. देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट JVM, जावा वर्चुअल मशीन. Then after that, Java API, Java Application Programming Interface, in which there are two parts. We will discuss application program packages and applet and network programming packages. Application program packages will consist of java.lang, java.util, java.io. Applet and network programming packages consist of java.awt, java.applet, and java.net. And at last we will discuss about Java programs. Okay, so let's start. Now we will understand what is JDK. JDK is originally, which is now an Oracle product. JDK provides a collection of the Java tools which are used while developing and running Java programs. Now there are some development tools used in JDK, which is, first one is Java. Java serves as a Java interpreter used to run Java applets and applications by reading and interpreting bytecode files. Next one is Java C, which serves as a Java compiler which is used to translate Java source code into bytecode files. Next one is Java CDoc, which creates hypertext markup language, which we call HTML, documentation for Java source code files. Next one is Java P, which serves as a Java dissymbol used to convert bytecode files into Java program description. Now next one is JDB. This one is also very important. JDB serves as a Java debugger used to find errors in Java program. Next one is jar, which serves as an archive used to package related class libraries into a single executable jar file. Next one is Java H. Java H Java H serves as a C header and stub generator used to write native methods. Now is Applet Viewer, which is the last tool which facilitates to run Java applets. Java platforms, as I said, has 3 platforms: Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, and Micro Edition. First of all, Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition of Java is the most commonly used among the 3 Java editions. It is used for developing desktop and console-based applications. It consists of a runtime environment, sets of APIs to build a wide variety of applications comprising standalone applications that can run on various operating systems. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition is a platform primarily used for building server-side applications by using its convenient component-based approach. It is a platform-independent Java-centric environment from Oracle which is meant for the development and online deployment of web-based enterprise applications. Next one is Java Micro Edition. It enables you to build Java applications for micro devices, which include handheld devices such as your cell phones and personal digital assistant, which we call PDAs, and other similar devices with limited display and memory support. It is a competitor to Microsoft's .NET Compact framework. So we will now move on to Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM. Now we will understand about what is JVM and Java Virtual Machine. As in all programming language, a compiler translates source code into machine code for a specific computer. In Java, a compiler translates the Java source code into an intermediate code known as bytecode for a virtual machine, which is known as JVM or Java Virtual Machine. Here I am displaying process of compilation and execution in Java. First of all, Java program is created, then it is compiled through Java compiler and we use Java C, then it is converted into bytecode, then it is interpreted by Java interpreter which we call Java, and then it is converted to real machine code. Now here I am displaying the process of running a program on OS. Firstly, on OS Java program was created, then it was compiled through compiler, then it is converted into Java bytecode, and then it is interpreted by Java interpreter either in Mac OS or in Windows or in Linux. Now we have come to the last part of Java environment, that is Java programs. A Java programmer can create either a Java application or a Java applet depending upon the requirement. In Java, you can create the two types of program, that is applications or applets. Applications. A Java application is a program that is created by using Java programming language. Java applications are always console based, CUIs, character user interface based, and GUI based, that is graphical user interface, standalone applications. Applets. An applet is a program written in the Java programming language that can be included in an HTML page in the same way as an image is included. An applet can be used in both static and dynamic web pages to either display content or share information through the pages. We need to import the java.applet package that provides classes to either create an applet or allow an applet to communicate with its applet context. Okay? So I think this is enough for today. We have studied about Java environment. So I hope you all understand today's lecture. Today's lecture was about Java environment, जिसमें हमने पहली चीज़ पढ़ी JDK, जिसमें हमने काफ़ी सारे डेवलपमेंट टूल्स देखे लाइक जावा सी, जावा सी डॉग, जावा है, जावा पी, एक्सेट्रा एंड एक्सेट्रा. एंड उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा जावा प्लेटफॉर्म, जिसमें हमने 3 तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म्स देखे, दैट इज़ जावा स्टैंडर्ड एडिशन, जावा माइक्रो एडिशन एंड जावा एंटरप्राइज एडिशन. उसके बाद हम लोग ने मूव ऑन किया जावा वर्चुअल मशीन में JVM पे. वहाँ मैंने आपको ब्लॉक डायग्राम के थ्रू JVM एक्सप्लेन किया. आई होप आप सबको समझ में आया हो. उसके बाद मैंने आपको जावा APIs पे लेके गया. जावा APIs जावा एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्रामिंग इंटरफेस. तो उसमें हमने 2 चीज़ें पढ़ी, दैट इज़ एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम पैकेजेस, एंड दूसरी चीज़ जो पढ़ी वो हमने पढ़ी एप्लेट एंड नेटवर्क प्रोग्रामिंग पैकेजेस. और उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा जावा प्रोग्राम, जिसमें हमने 2 चीज़ें देखी, एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड प्रोग्राम एंड एप्लेट्स प्रोग्राम. सो आई होप आप सबको मेरे लेक्चर समझ में आ रहे हैं, और मैं आप सबको थैंक यू कहता हूँ जितने भी लोगों ने मुझे सब्सक्राइब किया है, जितने भी लोगों ने मेरे लेक्चर्स देखे हैं, मेरी वीडियोस देखी हैं. आपके जो भी डाउट्स हों आप मेरे कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. और मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल भी बनाया हुआ है. हर वीडियो के नीचे मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक टेलीग्राम लिंक देता हूँ, तो उस टेलीग्राम लिंक पे जाइए, उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. उसमें आपके जो डाउट्स हैं आप सारे डाउट्स मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. आई विल क्लियर ईच एंड एवरी डाउट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड आपको अगर पसंद आया तो आप मेरे वीडियो को, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए एंड कमेंट्स मोर एंड मोर. आपके जितने डाउट्स होंगे मुझे क्लियर करने में उतना ही मज़ा आएगा. थैंक यू.